Hey, it's Jennifer Sparks. Today I'm going to be taking you to Harkness Memorial State Park in Waterford, Connecticut. I was spending the week over at Water's Edge in Westbrook, Connecticut, so I was trying to find all cool things that I've never experienced before in Connecticut. This place had a 5-star rating on TripAdvisor. I'm like, I have to go check it out. If you are new to my YouTube channel, welcome. I am Jennifer, and I have been a lifelong resident in Connecticut, and I've only seen like the same towns over and over and over again, and I'm really on a mission to see everything and videotape it and take everyone along for the ride so other people could discover new things in Connecticut as well. If you're into this kind of thing, please hit the subscribe button. That would be awesome. Harkness Memorial State Park is on the Long Island Sound. It has an amazing view, but it also has a historical Renaissance revival mansion on it with formal gardens and greenhouses. A lot of weddings take place here. It's just an absolutely beautiful, gorgeous place. This was taken in the beginning of October. It was during the week. There was hardly any people there. It was just an amazing, comfortable, really zen experience. As you can see, besides for the beautiful coast, there's all this lawn area here that you could picnic, you could walk your pets, you could fly kites. You know, it's just an amazing, beautiful place. I was so excited to find this. Like I said before, this was October. Between Memorial Day and Labor Day, this is for Connecticut residents only without a charge. I believe you could come in if you're not a resident, but there's a fee. I'm not sure what the fee was. There was nobody working here when I was here. There was nobody at the gate. I just drove right in. I found a picnic table under this beautiful tree and just soaked in just the whole atmosphere. It was just, like I said, very quiet and peaceful. I really enjoyed my stay. I didn't hang out too long enough to get some pictures. That back there is the ferry. I don't know if that's going to Block Island or Long Island. Waterford is very close to New London, and that's where all the ferries go from. Okay, now it's time to go check out the mansion and the botanical gardens. Enjoy the tour. Hey, if you're still with me, thank you for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed your tour of the Harkness Memorial State Park. I really am so excited I found this, and I can't wait to go back there again. It's just beautiful. Really, really special place. If you enjoy this video, please hit the subscribe button and like the video. That would help my channel a lot. This is a new channel I started back about 6 months ago, and I really want to kind of get it going. So I appreciate your support. Check out my other videos. I'm going to leave a playlist right here of all the things I did while I was in Southeast Connecticut, all the different state parks I went to. I'm going to be going to I did some casinos, all the good stuff over there, all the beaches and restaurants. This is your host, Jennifer Sparks with Afternoon in Connecticut. Go out there and find some new fun stuff to do. There's a lot in Connecticut to do that's just really at your fingertips. All you have to do is go out and find it. Be well to one another. Enjoy yourself. Have a wonderful afternoon in Connecticut.